today I'm going to be doing all the in-between and the front and sides, and we're going to see how long it's going to take me to do it with my Kubota lawnmower tractor. So normally, guys, when I have my grass cut, I've got 5 guys that I hire out, and they come on out and they cut my grass, and they use weed eaters. And it takes to do my it's about 8 acres, a little bit over 8 acres, but to do this 8 acres with weed eaters with 5 guys, it takes a full day. Okay, but just to let you know, they just do on the hills around the trees and long ways, but they don't do in between. So today I'm going to be doing all the in between and the front and sides, and we're going to see how long it's going to take me to do it with my Kubota lawnmower tractor. So let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, so before we get started here, here's my tractor. I've got a 1.3 meter lawnmower piece on the back. Okay, the cutter, and the tractor itself. It's a 40 HP Kubota. It's a L4018 SP, and I got this in Canterbury. But it's just a wonderful tractor, guys. Does everything I need to do. I've got a push in the front here. So if I need to straighten out some rows or move some dirt, I've got this. I can level out. It's just all around a nice little farm tractor, you know, for cutting the grass and doing all the maintenance that you need around your farm. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and cut this grass here. But again, it takes 5 guys to do this all day long, and they're buzzing, and they just do right up on the rows here. You can see from one side to another, around the trees all the way down. So today, what I have to do is cut in between the trees, all the way around the farm, all up next to the rubber tree field over there, to the back, and all from the side here. So all in, we've got just over 8 acres. So we'll find out how long it takes me. Let's get started. So it's 10 a.m. and we're gonna go ahead and get started now. See how long it takes us. I'm halfway done, guys. As you can see, it is muddy out there. So some of the rows pretty muddy, but we got to cut it. You know, you can see from the video, some of that grass is taller than my top of my tractor here, but it's going right through. I'm having to lift up the back blade though when I go into some of these spots because I sink down, and you can see where it's just piling up right here from the back tire. So but it's doing good. But what I got to do though is I got to sharpen my blade. My blade is dull, so it's not cutting too good. Back there, let's take a look here. Yeah, you can see here my blade. I got to get my grinder out and grind that. Get that blade back to being sharp. Same thing here. I mean, dude, I try to get as much rock and wire and everything out of there as I can, but sometimes, you know, we hit stuff, so that's just the nature of it. Wood and whatever, so that blade gets spinning quite quick. So I'm taking a little break. I'm gonna get some water and we're gonna get right back at it. Well, I'm done. I got her all done. Look behind me. So all the rows are done. I did all eight acres, and it's officially 12:30 right now. So I started at 10, and so we got 2.5 hours. There you go, guys. I got to clean it up. But take a look at the tractor. It's a little bit dirty. Some dirt definitely piled up on it while out there cutting the grass. But it's a hell of a riding lawnmower. Being that it's a tractor, I mean, it gets the job done, guys. So in your fruit farm, if you got a lot of grass, this time of the year, the grass grows fast, and we literally got to get out there every 3 weeks this time of the year. But yeah, the Kubota tractor itself and the blade itself, which is a J65, what's that say? Karnchong J65 blade on the back of this. Does a good job. The blade's a little dull. I gotta sharpen it up, but other than that, it did a really good job. So yeah, quite pleased with it. If you guys are looking to get a little tractor, I'll definitely recommend the Kubota. Now, I'm not being paid by them. I just own one, and I can just tell you my experience with it. So it's a good tractor. All right, guys. Well, if you made it this far, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button if you're still watching this video. Hey, look at that view though. Now I'm gonna clean my tractor up. I get to look at this and my tractor. I mean, it's like best thing a man want to see, you know, tractor, right? All right, guys, see you later.